Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable AirDrop if it's grayed out on Control Center. If you're using any iPhone and your AirDrop has been grayed out in your Control Center, so let's see how can you enable it. So the very first thing you have to check your internet connection, that you're connected to the strongest internet connection. It might be Wi-Fi or cellular, and you have to try to disable with your VPN if you're connected. Go for setting, go for general, go for VPN device management. You have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. Or if you are connected, try to disconnect with that. And then you just have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update here. If you have any pending software update, try to update your software. Once you have done, so it will almost fix your issue. You can enable your AirDrop from here. If you're still having the same issue, so you just have to go back, open settings, go for the general option, and here you will find the option of AirDrop. If you can't find, so it means that your AirDrop has been disabled into your settings. So go for main settings here, go for screen time, and here you'll get the option of content and privacy restrictions. You have to select that and then select allowed apps and features, or so you'll get allowed apps. So you must have to enable this and the settings. Once I have enabled it, you can see that the AirDrop is no longer grayed out. It has been fixed. Now you can easily enable it or disable it from here. Or if you are still having the same issue after this step, so now let's see how can you fix this. So you just have to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. And after that, if you're still having the same issue, you have to open settings, go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, and here you just have to enter your passcode. And once you have entered, you will get a pop-up confirmation message to reset all of your network settings. So you must have to select reset all of your network setting, and your network setting will be reset. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this. And after that, all of your issue will be fixed, and you can easily use your AirDrop after resetting your setting. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.